Hi, my name is Catherine Wendt with Syscon, and thanks for taking a moment of your time. Today I wanted to talk with you about software and change management. So changes do seem to be in the air this year. We have a lot of clients asking about software changes, customizations, and integrations. Some are customizations of our FIT system, new or updated Power BI reports, Power App projects, adding a new module like inventory to existing software, and the list goes on. We welcome these discussions, and we actually enjoy digging into the goals, where you are now, and making a roadmap to get where you want to be. And in some cases, the decision might be to move forward with a change, or it might be changes to current workflows and additional training for you and for your team. So any change, even the best ones, can be stressful for your team members. There are a whole flood of emotions when people are presented with changes. And it's actually leadership's job to know how people may feel and get in front of it. And during the project, it's equally important to stay in touch with how people are feeling and to be sure you're in front of that. Be sure you're managing that. There are several great books on change management that not only talk about the planning, which is very important, but also address the people side of change. You'll need the support of leadership, of course, and a champion with both the authority and supportive leadership to keep things on track throughout the project. So for any of these projects, we usually start with a kickoff call. That meeting is the place to start to clarify what is needed, order of events, timing, and when will things be live for everyone. For Power BI and Power App projects, we also want to consider security and access rights for both you and your team to secure the end product, what everyone's going to be using at the end. You can read our full article on this topic in our February 2026 newsletter. And in the meantime, any software choices you make, modules you add, any other add-on products should meet a business need and have a positive impact on your people and the bottom line. And I want to confirm that at Syscon, none of our team members are incentivized to sell any particular product or service. We are all encouraged to share and to educate on our offerings, but there is no incentive tied with any of our recommendations. We're simply helping you with the business situation that you're putting in front of us, and we're going to use a technology to help you solve it. So thanks for your time. Consider all of these, and if you'd like some help, we are here to do that, and you know how to reach us. Thanks for your time, and have a great rest of your week.